Hello everyone and welcome to Vlingel's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix it when your mouse is not clicking on your Windows 11 computer. And now let's get started. If your mouse is unresponsive and you cannot click on your Windows 11 device, do not worry. We have a few solutions to get you back to normal operation. You will need to use your keyboard for navigation, primarily using the Tab key to move between menu items and the Enter key to select them. Begin by opening the Windows search bar, type Device Manager and select it from the search results to open the application. Once Device Manager is open, locate and expand the section labeled Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Within this list, right-click on each entry and select the option to update the driver. Repeat this process for all listed devices. If updating the drivers does not resolve the clicking issue, the next step is to restart your computer. To do this, right-click on the Start button, navigate to the Shutdown or Sign Out menu, and select Restart. Should the problem persist after a restart, we will check for Windows updates. Right-click on the Start button again and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Windows Update tab. On the right side of the pane, you will find an option to check for updates. Click this to see if any pending updates are available for installation, as these can sometimes resolve hardware-related issues. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.